Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break number 78780. We're opening one box of Panini Prisma World Cup FIFA. Our last winning bid was for the country of Uruguay, and it ended June 15th at 8:31 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 10:45 a.m. Tuesday, June 16th. That's Eastern Time, local time in Toronto, Ontario. Our box number is BR 094 960 610. We've got 6 cards per pack, 24 pack in a box to open. Just like to mention that any cards that are pulled of Friends of the Games auto, mascot, or whole city will be randomized on random.org between all 32 countries. Any matchup card that are pulled will be randomized between the countries indicated in the back of the card. All that information is available on the description page. You got 12 packs here, another 12 here, 8 empty box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Bats for hits. There we go. We'll do 3-pack bundles. That way we can keep the video approximately around 20 minutes. For 3-pack. 2 and 3. Let me make a small adjustment here. Better. Okay, here we go. Netfinders, Uruguay, Luis Suarez. Cup captain, Emir Zahic for Bosnia. Vincent Anyama for Nigeria. That's your first 3-pack. 2 and 3. Netherlands, Jasper Silesen, Guardian. World Cup star for Spain, David Silva. We got a matchup between Portugal and Germany. The card will be randomized between these two teams at the end of the break. Next 3. Sergio Ramos for Spain, World Cup star, but this is a numbered card out of 99, card number 73. World Cup star for Portugal, Luis Figo. Costa Rica team card. Oscar. For Brazil, the numbered card out of 99, card number 24. Okay. World Cup star, United States, Landon Donovan. And a matchup between Argentina and Bosnia. Valon Ben-Hadami for Switzerland, Prism Parallel. Cup captain, Gökhan Ince for Switzerland. Gianluigi Buffon for Italy. 3. Another matchup between England and Uruguay. Belgium, Vincent Kompany for Belgium. Marco Reus for Germany, Netfinder. And our last 3 pack. Marcelo for Brazil. Switzerland team card. Guardian, Guillermo Ochoa for Mexico. Ochoa. That's the box. We'll do a quick recap for hits, but before we do, we've got these cards to be randomized. So, 3 of them. Let's get to our screen. I'm already set up on random.org under the list randomizer. First card we're randomizing is between Germany and Portugal. Germany is first on card. Germany and Portugal. Germany and Portugal. Card will be randomized 3 times. Team country that's on top the 3rd time wins the card. All that information is available for those unfamiliar with that information. It's all available on my description page. Here we go. Randomize once. Germany's on top twice. Portugal is on top and 3 times. You have randomized this list 3 times. Germany wins this card. Next off, between Argentina and Bosnia. Bosnia is first on card. Argentina, randomized once. Argentina, twice. Argentina, 3 times. Argentina, you have randomized this list 3 times. Argentina wins this card. Last card to be randomized. Between Uruguay and England. Uruguay, first on card. New list. Uruguay. England. We go randomize once. Uruguay on top, twice. Uruguay on top, three times. England on top. You have randomized this list 3 times. England wins this card. Okay, for a quick recap, as promised. So we have our 3 cards we just randomized. Guardian from Mexico, Switzerland, that's Brazil, Germany, Belgium, Italy, Switzerland, United States, Brazil, Costa Rica, Portugal, Spain, Netherlands, Nigeria, Bosnia, and Uruguay. So that concludes our break number 780. Be sure to check out our other box breaks. I've already listed the Don Ross 2-box break 2015 for next in 10 days on Thursday the 25th. We still have the date of the 24th. I really want to be the first one out there to have some box breaks. You can check my listings. We have some all the information about this new product is on my my pages. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.